Welcome back. How are we all doing today? I'm back again in a new video reaction. Last time we talked about Greenlight Africa with his own way of deceiving our people. I am not supposed to talk about him again. That's not the fact. But there's one video that he made. After the first time we discussed about him, second time because I can remember that I think early this year I made a video about him complaining to us what I felt about him because he's trying to mock our people. I see it as a thing of mockery, and I will tell you why. But the recent video that we made, where we talked about him, and after that, he did not even bother to, caution himself. He keep on bringing, all this kind of news. I understand that everybody is trying to make kind of living, just trying to get have something to survive. I understand that. I don't hope that this video is not going to work against his own livelihood. But the other thing is that there's a limit on everything you want to do. If you want to talk about Biafra, it is good, but don't do it as if Biafrans are stupid or foolish or something like that. The reason why I saw, okay, let me go back. The video here. Okay, this is the video that he made. You can see 5 days ago, and we reacted on that, where he said that Ibrahim Traore finally meet with Simon Ekpa. I choose just to talk about this one. It's not as if there's no other video where he says something that is funny like this one. You can see this one here. He said, "See what Ibrahim Traore asked Simon Ekpa to do." All this is just look at the title again. This one said, "Good news: Ibrahim Traore vow to rescue Simon Ekpa." Okay, and here you see another one, massive update on Simon Ekpa Bell. This is huge. Now you keep on, you come down here, you see Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, and the title keep on going the way that I don't like. I feel that something is wrong with him. Look at this one. You can see Finnish government releases troubling update on Simon Ekpa. Once you title video like this, and Biafrans will begin to know because he understand that the quest to hear from PM is huge. So and he keep on taking advantage of that, lying to people, lying to our people, and deceiving everybody simply because to him that's the best way to go. See what Ibrahim Dore asked Samuel to do. You can see the view here. So I'm not against those things, but the problem is that some of our people started sharing his video to me that oh Mazi, what do you have to say about this? Oh, there's a great news. Oh, have you seen that? Oh Mazi, what that kind of thing. So, but being the fact that I already know what the guy is doing, I just call where yeah for a very long time, not without talking anything saying anything about him. But some people actually believed what he's saying. There's some news that let me look. There's a one he made last time that's quite disturbing. Like this one, you can see this one here. This one, let me see if you can take a look at it. Where is it? Where is this? Okay, and that is this one. Okay, this very news here. You can see he said Simon Ekpa has been rushed to hospital. What is going on? This news made people begin to panic and started sending messages. So each time they send a message, I will tell them, don't mind this guy. He's just having his own content. Don't mind him. But he keep on coming. He keep on coming. He keep on twisting, trying to trick the emotion of our people constantly. So I have no other choice than to come out publicly to let our people know that this guy is doing something. What he's doing just for content creation, not that he has any intel or anything at all, nothing like that. And we keep on doing that because I think it is something good to do. Now here, like after I made the video, I watched him. I just monitored him. Immediately after I reacted on this video, he made this one. He said, Ibrahim Tore commands Amanipa to call off sit at home. I saw this one. I laughed. I kept quiet. Then he made another one, this one. Okay, you see this one here. He said, see what Ibrahim Tore and Simon Ekpa is currently planning. Then he said again, the one that got me is this one. This one is one that tried to push me out again. This very one. Say that Ibrahim Traore and USB launches new satellite technology into space or something like that. You can see that. Let me see. Uh-huh. and it launched satellite technology into space. The USB government is now planning to go to space. That is height of the insult. Okay, this is that's the height of it all. Please help me like this video. I just want to tell you that this guy, he's not only making mockery of our people, he think that we are stupid and foolish. I don't know who is behind this channel, to be honest. I don't know who the guy is, but whoever that know him should let him know that this is an insult. Even if you want to talk about Biafra, no, but personally, I don't have any issue with that. But the way you are making mockery of everybody is very, very funny. So you have been talking about Samanekpa is this, Samanekpa is that. Now imagine that USB Ibrahim Traore and USB planning to launching launching satellite technology to space. I know that Ibrahim Traore is not going to space immediately. You know what? This guy can be fun. Look at it here. You see the title here? Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would like to hear from you. What do you think about the intention of this guy? Do you think it is normal, or he just feel that this is the best way to get back at Igbo people or insult Igbo people and all that? Because this one is no longer content creation. The title and everything is funny. And if you doubt me, okay, let me see if I can uh, just a moment. Let me see if I can. Okay, I don't want to add his voice. There's no need. There's no need to add his voice because I know how this kind of thing works. But some of you have seen that. Okay, some of you have seen that, and I think it should be something that you need to consider to avoid going to his platform again, since he choose to mock your intelligence and trying to lie with everything. He's not doing what he's doing because he love you, or neither is he doing it because he care about USB, or he's trying to make you feel happy. No, it's about using your emotion to cash out. Because how can you come out and give video and record video and title it like that? Okay, it is an insult. It's just like you guys, not next that you guys cannot go to space. You know, mocking you. That's what do I see it. There's time for everything. We are looking for. We are still struggling to live, and we are talking about going to space. That's an insult. He says, see what happened to Master M0cking in court yesterday. So it's okay. Then this is the recent one. 9 hours ago, Samonekpa agreed to do impossible from I don't know who is the person. Now the question is, what is impossible? He know how to catch the attention of our people. Once you put video like this, of course they would like to know what is that? Did he give up? Oh, what did Samanapa said? That kind of thing, that kind of feeling. It is an insult. If you are following him, please think twice. Everything here, if you go down before I made the video, because this is where 5 days ago is when we made the first reaction. If you go not 5 days, I think it should be a few days ago. The video was 5 days ago, but we did not react on it the day he published it. I think it is 2 days later or a day later, something like that. But because somebody shared it to us, okay, so when I receive it, I have to react on it. This is exclusive update on Samanepa extradition. He was 13 days ago. You see, Biafran were panicking about the issue of extraditing him and all that, and he don't care. He don't care. Look at this one. So Finland government released names of individuals that will be tried with PM or something like that. All this thing, one of our brother was even arguing with me. Why would you say that the guy, even as much as I don't what he's saying is fake, but what he's saying is also good because he give our people hope. I don't know what hope you derive from being lied to. I don't understand that kind of hope, even though you know that it's lie and you are celebrating that kind of lie. Anyway, please, I would like to know what you think about it because, like I said, the video is going to be too short. I don't want it to be like, a lengthy video. Comment and tell me what you think about this guy. What do you think about what he's doing? Is he doing it just to insult our people, or he's doing it out of ignorance? Or do you actually believe that what he's saying is true? If yes, how can USB government going to space, like he said here, with Ibrahim Traore, without USB also announcing it? And what is the capacity of Ibrahim Traore to go to space, to launch a satellite? I don't understand. Is it anyway? We shall see, because I believe that USB cabinet members are gonna watch the video. So they may also help us to educate us on what that means. Okay, they may help us to educate us on what that means. So my people, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Look at the title here, Ibrahim Traore. This guy, Ibrahim Traore. Look at it. Launch Ibrahim Traore and USB launches new satellite technology into space. I'm recording it direct from his platform, so it will not be as if somebody is lying to anyone. No, you can see the video is playing now, but I decided to mute it. The first video you see here is DOS member protesting against PM. Back then, you remember? Then he decided to front the picture of Ibrahim Traore, and his normal way of. So some of you that are watching, look at CS. So this is him trying to deceive you, and you should be careful about it. You can see the space himself here, okay, telling you that they launch space. Okay, just a moment. Just a moment.
Yes, how did it happen, and how did the leadership of the USB manage to keep this whole update in secret? Well, in this video, we shall be disclosing, analyzing, and showcasing every
The USB government keep this secret. They managed to keep it secret. Here,
single thing that's happened behind the scenes so that you can see and get first-hand info. Well, first thing first, couple of hours back, that is to say on the 5th of May of 2025, Ngozi Orabueze unknowingly exposed the fact that the USB movement has its own satellite. Yes, she unknowingly exposed that fact. How did we know? Well, take a look at this post or publication coming out
from the United States of Biafra Satellite Intelligence Monitoring in Biafra land. Okay, so God, okay, you know what? Please let us let us go through. I'm not laughing at our government. I'm laughing at this guy because he said that he's unknowingly exposed. Like he don't realize when he informed you that he has satellite. But I don't know. Do we also have? Did the CS mention Ibrahim Traore here? Okay, so credit to USB. Let us just hope that what he said is true. Not that I can tell you it's not. The guy did not understand what CS mean here, and I'm not here to tell you what CS actually is talking about. But let's hear him just 1 minute. Listen.
her official Twitter page. Like I said, this was posted on the 5th of May of 2025. It reads, breaking May 5th, 2025, from the USB Satellite Intelligence Monitoring in USB land. It states, Nigeria President in the person of Tinubu and Christopher Musa with their military are currently occupying a foreign peaceful territory of Isheke in USB nation with their armored tanks. The USB was declared on the 29th of November of 2024 in Lahti, Finland. The Nigerian state has been officially notified of the declaration and sovereignty of the USB. Yes, when you take a look at the highlighted part of your screen, it states USB satellite intelligence. Yes, for a fact, meaning
Okay, my bro, thank you so much for the time. I don't want to laugh. What CS is saying here is that Biafran's eyes are on the ball. You understand? Not that they are going to space. It has nothing to do with space. You may also have satellites, or you may, like South Africa, have their own DSTV using satellite, right? You can also have it. Not that doesn't mean that you are launching into space. Anyway, we are. I'm not. What do I know? Tell me what you think. Maybe you have a better knowledge of what the guy is trying to say. But to me, the guy, if you are following him, know that you are watching a comedian. Like is pure comedy. The guy is just like when you are watching Sabinus or maybe Mark Angel. The guy is the same thing. It's just the same thing. There's nothing different. God bless you all and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.